Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Saurabh Khade vlogs, and this video will be different because in this video I'm going to tell you how to increase your photo dramatically and make it more crisp and sharp. So let's start with Lightroom. So this is my photo. I have uploaded this photo already in Instagram. You can check my ID and check the photo. So starting with the basic settings, and I like to increase my photo temperature a little bit warm, and I don't like to change tint. So let's increase the exposure a little bit and contrast. Okay, and I always like to lower my highlights because it makes my photo how I like, and increase the shadow in portraits because it gives more sharpness to your photo and details. And I always decrease my whites and blacks and increase clarity because it makes your photo more sharp and gives something crisp. So let's check the before and of the photo. That's before and that's after. 50% of the photo have changed already, so let's change more and make it more good. So I don't like to change the tone curve and HSL. Let's start with detail first and increase sharpen the photo a little bit, and let's increase the amount, radius, detail and masking as per your choice. And I don't like to make noise reduction, so that's it. And at last let's make the split toning, and I always like to change my photo to a little bit red and yellowish. It gives my photo a personal look, and I don't like to use shadow. It doesn't make sense for my photo. And let's make this post cropping editing, and it will give a photo a different tone. So that's it guys. In 2 minutes you have changed your photo very differently and makes a good dramatic effect on your photo. You can check the before and after photo. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and share this video as much as you can, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.